Hi, welcome to CNC Square 1. Today I've pulled off one of my lights from the workshop because I'm going to replace them with the LED tubes. Basically because these are starting to flicker and I was going to replace them, and I thought, well, why don't I see how much money I can save by going LED. So what I've done is I've set up my meter and I'm measuring the current that these two 36 watt tubes are pulling, and they are pulling 0.39 amps. Basically now I'm going to go and buy the LED tubes, swap them over and see what current they pull. And I've just thought I'd also compare the light, so obviously take the diffuser off. Now whether it's going to show up on camera, that is the light that I'm getting out of these two, and then when I swap them over we'll compare. Okay, so the first tube has been put on. It's the bottom one. Obviously you can tell because the top one's flickering away. To me it looks very similar brightness, more even colour, but obviously this fluorescent tube is a bit warm. So yeah, it's very similar. Quite surprised actually. Right, so the current that it's pulling with one fluorescent and one LED is 0.35 amps. The really strange thing is that if I disconnect this tube, if I can, it shoots up to 0.6 amps. How it can be using more power for just one tube, I do not know. But I'm going to put in the second LED tube now, see what happens. With these new LED tubes, the ones I've got is Philips, bought it from Screwfix for $12.99 I think, and they come with a special starter, so that's why I took the starter out. You need to use that starter instead. Here's the tube. And that's pulling 0.59 amps, which is actually more than the fluorescence. That's very bizarre. And how is that energy saving? I have no idea. Unless it was just that the fluorescent tubes are so warm that they weren't pulling enough currents, and this is